How to add Chroma Key in KineMaster. Let's get started. First, open KineMaster and tap on Create New. Once you tap on Create New, choose the aspect ratio. Once you choose it, tap on Quit. Now tap on Media Asset right here. Choose the background you want to keep on your image. Let me choose one simple background. Let me choose this one. Once you choose it, go back and tap on Layer. Now tap on Media. Once you tap on it, choose the image and tap on Go back. Now adjust its duration in the timeline like this by dragging its axis. Now once you tap on it, scroll down on your right hand panel and tap on Chroma Key. From here, toggle this and adjust it from here. Once you adjust it, you can see the tick mark at the top right here, but now I don't have the premium, so it's not showing it. If you have the premium, you can get it done. That's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the notification bell. Thank you for watching.